Umayos ka kalapati ha? May nagmamasid na mga mata dyan. You know? Cat is watching you. So, be alert. Cat is trying to roll there. Yeah, enjoying to watch the bird only. And the bird is here. Oh. Now the woodpecker is coming, Silver. He's just enjoying watching the bird. Because the bird is so big. I try to rolling there. Peanuts is there and that look at the silver eyes there. Oh. It's looking only the kalapati. Malaki ba, Silver? Laki nga naman yan, oh. Kapag sinampok niya si Silver yan, tumba bulalay ang pusa. Huwag ka pupunta dyan sa sa mga flowers. Silver say, don't come to flowers. Now he give up. Where's the bird? Ah, where? There. Okay, now it's guarding more closer. Kalapati, come back. Silver is kind. Okay. Okay, now go and follow the kalapati. It's following. And soon the kalapati is in this side. It's following the kalapati. Kalapati will come in the another side. Silver now, Silver is going there. Okay. Kalapati is here now, Silver, in the other side. Okay, the pigeon is here now. Silver. Andito na siya, oh. Hide and seek silang dalawa. Now, pigeon is here. Silver. Silver. Kalapati is here. Magkaibigan yan sila. Oh, drinking water na. Panoorin niya lang yan. Oh. And the cat is there. There. Kalapati is here now. Come here. Oh, there, oh. Oh. So, mag-look na naman. Oh, no. Oh, looking the kalapati. No, yung kalapati is drinking water. Silver is looking again. Ah. Aha, galit ka? Mau-mau. Happy bird. Swimming ka, kalapati, dali. Swim ikaw, swim. Noy, walking freely here. Oy, Silver is gulat there. What is it there? Ha? Gulat ka? Mau-mau only. Silver is mau-mau only there. Oh. The kalapati is happy here. Silver. There is something interesting under the pink, eh. Do you want to swim, kalapati? Swim ikaw. Nagsuswimming yan. Drinking water. Yan na si Silver. Yan na. Okay. We'll meet each other. Nasaan na? Where is it? Where? Nag-fly na? Oh. Nag-fly na yung friend ni Silver. Okay, come now here. Eat your food. Tule. He's going to guard. Tule. Kisa. Bili ka na. Come here na. Dali. Bili ka na. It's coming back later. Yeah. And that tika is coming soon there. The woodpecker. Coming soon there. Okay, the cat is going to guard. You see? Alright. Ay. Oh, meron pa silver. Ayan no, bago na naman kalapate. Tatlo yun sila naghahabulan eh. Yun, lumipad na dun. Tatlo na sila sa taas ng puno. Nagsasabong kasi sila. Tinutulak nila yung bawat isa kung sino ang maiwan sa sa teritoryo ng pagkain. Nag-aaway pala yan. Walang kapatid-kapatid sa kanila kapag teritoryo daw ng pagkain. Ida-drive away nila yung kasama nila para masolo nila yung pagkain. At dito naman, ayan, lalambi-lambitin yung bata pa na woodpecker. Ayan, lambitin-lambitin lang siya dyan. Nagpa-practice na yan siyang lumipad ng independent. Thank you for watching.